New look. Improved recipe. New packaging. Contains 15 vitamins, minerals and calcium. Made in America and with American beef. Contains omega-3. Top reviews from the United States. But I think I love them more than he does. Been buying these for years and our dog really loves them. But I think I love them more than he does, because they never fail to get me his complete attention and cooperation. The drool spots on the floor are the only slight problem, as he waits during the time lag in me opening the box and giving him small pieces as I coax him into my, if not his, desired behaviors. Lol.